What is up, everybody? Let me make sure you're all cleaned off and everything. So, comments below for today. Tell me what tires you're running. Tell me what bike you're running and what tires you're running. Brand, you know, number, whatever. Pirelli, Diablo 3s, whatever. Because personally, on my nice 2013 Yamaha Fz8 with 33,000 miles, 725. That sounds really stupid. Look at all the geese! Look at them all! That's not a V pattern, you stupid birds! Right now, as of like a couple weeks ago, actually no, a couple days ago, it was last week, I now have a full new set of Michelin Road 6s on here. If you haven't known, or didn't watch, whatever, I'll put a little card maybe up there. I've been running Road 5s for the last like 2 years. It's funny because they used to have this little circle with a little Michelin man in it, and I'll put a picture somewhere here. It's the they have the three little usage lines on the sides, and my little thing was, by the time I'm done with a tire, or by the time the center of the tire has worn down to the wear marks, wear down to the wear marks, what else are they going to be? I try and wear off the little Michelin man. So I look for them on this tire, and again, I'll put pictures of all this stuff up, hopefully somewhere here, Vanna Whiting if I'm not lazy. The little Michelin man is very, very small on these tires. They changed it. There's a lot less to wear off, and he's a lot farther down on the tire. But I got home the other day, and mind you, like, I don't ride super aggressively. Like, I've never drugged my knee on the ground, especially not since I'm literally only like street riding. But like, I like to ride, spiritedly. So I like to ride spiritedly, and I looked the other day, and I'm pretty close to like the inner line, the outside of the tire, whatever you want to call it. I'm almost all the way on both sides, left a little bit less than on the right, which I don't know, apparently I turn right more than I turn left, or I turn right aggressively, whatever it is. I've always loved these tires, or the Michelin 5s, Road 5s. I always loved those tires. They were great. For what they are, I get 2 years out of a front and 1 year out of a back, which to me, that's perfectly acceptable. I can fully afford to burn the rear tire every single year. That's not that big of a deal to me. Now I can't talk, I swear. I am a functional human being. It's hard sometimes, but I am. Ah, no, you bastard. Oh, you sons of bitch. You utter bastard. You had to just be like that 10 seconds here. Well, we're going to let El Caro drive away-o. So, while we're going slow, again, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me, helps the algorithm, helped me, one of these things. And it's cool. I always appreciate talking to people who watch these videos. Like, whatever you want to do, comment what tire you're running, what bike you're running. I don't care. Tell me if you like churros or not. Are you a big fried dough fan? Have you been to a fair this year? I don't care. Comment something down below while I weeble wobble, and we can have a discussion. Now, I love you long time. Well, I love you for long enough to talk. But I do, these tires feel great. I probably got 300-400 miles on the rear tire. So it's worn in enough to be like, I'm confident in it. That's the other thing. So when you get a brand new tire, are you one of those people just like go out and rip on it, or do you, give it 100 miles or so and a little bit of scrubbing in before you start working it hard? Ooh, that car really didn't get away from me. I caught it. Never mind. I was gonna say, it didn't get that far right now. There it is. But I do. I love these tires. For great feel, you know, dual compound, inner outside, a little bit softer. They're, you know, more touring tires than what I would assume. Oh, I got a hip cramp. Oh, I'm getting old. Oh God, that hurts. Ah, son of a bitch. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, that really hurts. God, I'm old. I'm gonna do some stretches apparently. Oh, what they do? They feel like they're not the most sticky tire in the world, obviously, being what they are. They are a touring compound, or like a sport touring tire, so they're not going to be the most aggressive, you know, sticky compound in the world. But for what they are, I get about, let's say 6 maybe 1,000 miles out of them. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Make sure to comment down below what you're running, what your bike is, what your next tires are. If you run street and a track, do you run different tires, or do you just whatever? I like this one and I'm going for it. What's your favorite brand of tire? Personally, I like the little Michelin Man because they've always done me well, and I like sticking with things that I feel confident, I meant confident, but also competent in. Make sure to do all the fun things. Hit the little bell, like, share, subscribe, comment, bell again, so you know when I'm posting videos. Check out the links in the description below for the rest of the socials, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.